All right, welcome to another Haystacks Tech podcast on coding, the coding bootcamp, and we are getting into phonic constants today. So again, I know constants, they suck, and especially phonics constants, they're just going to suck. But before we do that, I'm going to switch over and talk about a little bit of numeric constants from last time. So let me, if you have anything you want to mention or talk about, feel free. But I'm going to switch over to the main screen here. And there we go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to mention here is the fact that we got this, I did the 0, 1, 2 to 99. And actually this 99, I think I might have missed these, but the reason why is because I actually did them up here. And I probably just didn't copy and paste them down. But I did do the work. You can see here I did it. So what I was able to do this using multi-line editing, and then it got to be very fast. Like instead of typing out each line manually or using AI to do it, which I said you should, I said you could do that, but I would highly recommend you don't, especially if you just figure this out with multi-line editing. Like just do it with multi-line editing. So I just did the 0 through 9, and then I copy pasted that, and then changed this one digit right there. I changed it right here, and I changed it right there. Right, so I changed it in 3 places, and I had it done. And I copy pasted again, change it to 2. Copy paste it again, change it to 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we're done. Okay, so that made it really, really fast. And I think I forgot to copy paste this. So let me go ahead and do that. I'll just copy paste all of it. And I'll finish it up right here on screen. So we got the 1 through 9. Oh, sorry. No, we got the 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, and then the rest of them to 99. So there's the 99. I can just wipe that one out. There's the 98s. The only thing I didn't do was these. Okay, so I can just wipe those out now. And we'll just do multi-line editing to finish this off. And I'll show you what I did for the rest of it in a minute. Let me go ahead and tab these over. And I may as well edit everything out. bis.cc plus that one. And we can just copy that. Square bracket, colon, space, paste, comma, and then the rest of this is out to there. Okay, so I just do that like 9 times, and then I'll have 99 of these guys. Tab over, square bracket, bis.cc plus colon, paste, comma, and then Control Shift End. Whoa, that's not what I wanted. Hold on. Not Control Shift End. I guess I got to start again. So we'll come here. Is it Shift End? There you go. And then Control Shift arrows back, space. Okay. All right, good. So that's how you do that. I don't even need to do this. Tab that over. Delete that. bis.cc plus. Uh-oh, I lost it. Square bracket, colon, paste, comma, space, shift end, Control Shift, back arrow, and we're good there. Okay, next. Tab that over. bis.cc plus colon, or square bracket, colon, paste. That's 30s. Okay, perfect. Shift and Control Shift back, and there you go. Okay, that's 30s. Let's go to 40s. Uh-oh, home. Oh, we seem to have lost a... Okay, tab that over. bs.cc plus square bracket, close, colon, space, paste, comma, shift end, and bring that back. Okay, good. All right, 50s. Almost done. bs.cc plus colon, paste, comma, shift end. There you go. Okay, 50s. Let's go to 60s. Tab it over. Square bracket bas.cc plus colon, paste, comma, and shift end. There we go. Okay, 70s. bas.cc. I'm sorry I didn't notice that I had missed this until I was just looking at it just now, but I did do everything else. So all right. Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, I just have a question. Is there a benefit to doing, like, just doing a the 70 as 70 versus just a 7 and 0? Does it increase performance? What you know what I'm saying? Why would you have a constant of a number that you could just create on the fly? Is what I'm getting at.
So it's about constants reuse. So if I have these, then it makes it a little bit easier for the individual, because you've got individual definitions for every single one. That's, I think, where the extra use comes from.
Okay, so it's really just for the human.
Yeah, I mean that's what
Okay.
this whole framework is really about,
Okay.
is about humanness, and also the deterministic behavior, and also part of that is also completeness, right? The completeness of the solution.
Okay.
So yeah, so here we go. So now I've done all of these, but then I just did that again for these 3-digit ones. So 100 to 199. Did I miss 109? That's 109. So I did 100 to 109, 110 to 119, 120 to 129, and all the way down to 199. Okay, so then basically I just copied this entire block from 100 to 199, and I pasted it down here with this divider. And so now I have the 200s and the 300s and the 400s all the way down to 999. And again, I just use multi-line editing to change that 1 to a 2, that 1 to a 2, and this one right here to a 2 on multi-line editing on all of these. Right, and I did it again for the 300s, the 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s, 900s, 800s, 900s, all the way down to 999. Yep. So that's how I did that. I just used multi-line editing, and it went really fast. Like I was done in, I want to say, less than 30 minutes, probably more like 20 minutes. So instead of typing all of these out manually, that's a fast way of doing that. Let me save that. Okay. So that was my homework. I'm sorry I didn't get it completely done, but I kind of did. Okay, but it's done now anyways. Oops, I missed the divider. Did you see that? I missed that divider. Okay, let me get that put back in. All right. Okay, so let's start on phonic constants, because this one is ginormous, and we need to try to hit a milestone here. So phonic.constants.js, and we're going to do the header as always at file phonic.constants.js. we'll see how many parts this is going to be. I'm hoping for 3 parts, but we'll see. We'll see if we can like chunk it that much. At module phonic dot constants. Oops, I think this is actually, it's supposed to be dot, but I think I was using dash in the early version. Constants. And at description contains many reusable phonic. Oh, sorry, I want to spell that right. Phonetic constants and partial phrases and or partial words for reusability. Usability. Many of them derived from the basic constants. Okay, at requires, actually all of them are pretty much module basic dot constants. Okay, author, put your name on there. Not my name, put your name, take ownership. I always recommend that. Date 2026 04 16. And then we do the copyright, which I always have to copy and paste because it has the copyright symbol in the text. And this was originally written in 2020, the year the world fell apart. Okay. Let BAS equals require. Don't do that. Open parenthesis, single quote, period, / basic constants. Again, that's kind of the old way of doing it with requires. The new way is to use import, but we're sticking with the old for now because this is the old framework. This is like the initial early bird version of it. We're just getting through that. Okay, yeah, we're still recording. That's good. Okay, this is, I just put this as reusable grammar. All right, and here we go. Save that. Now we start. Let CHREE equals BAS.CHR plus BAS.CEE. And that is HREE. Okay, let COUR, which is our, BAS.COU plus BAS.CR. Our, which is technically a word, but it's also a phonetic phrase. Let CIVE equals BAS.CIV plus BAS.CE. IVE. Let CIGHT equals, oh sorry, wait, not IGHT. CEVEN equals BAS.CEV plus CEV plus BAS.CEN. EVEN, which is also technically a word. Hang on just a second. I need to close my door, my office door, since we're recording here. Okay. EVEN, and then let CIGHT equals BAS.CIG plus BAS.CHT, IGHT. Let CINE equals BAS.CIN plus BAS.CE. INE. Let CLEVEN equals BAS.CL plus CEVEN, which we've already defined just a few lines above. LEVEN. Let CWELVE equals BAS.CWE plus BAS.CLV plus BAS.CE. WELVE. These are some of the constants that were used in the numeric constants like 12, 11. You can see some of those components here. Let TEEN, teen, equals BAS.CT plus BAS.CEE plus BAS.CN. TEEN. Like 13, 14, 15, you get the idea. Let CHIR equals BAS.CHI plus BAS.CR, HIR. Let CIGH equals BAS.CIG plus BAS.CH, IGH. Let CWENTY equals BAS.CW plus BAS.CEN plus BAS.CTY, WENTY. Let C HERTY equals BAS.CHI plus BAS.CR plus BAS.CTY, HERTY. Let C IFTY equals BAS.CIF plus BAS.CTY, IFTY. Pardon me, hold on just a second. Okay. IFTY. Let C red equals BAS.CRE plus BAS.CD, red. Oh, we got some colors here, but I guess they're phonetic partial phrases. Let CGREEN equals BAS.CGR plus BAS.CEE plus BAS.CN, green. And let C blue equals BAS.CBL plus BAS.CUE, blue. Let C UND equals BAS.CUN plus BAS.CD, UND. Let C UNDRED equals CUND plus C red, UNDRED. Let C AND equals BAS.CAN plus BAS.CD, and. Let C sand equals BAS.CS plus CAND, sand. Okay, and then let C housand equals BAS.CHO plus BAS.CU plus C sand, housand. Okay, let CION equals BAS.CIO plus BAS.CN, ION. Let C, oh, here we go, all uppercase, ION equals BAS.CIA uppercase plus BAS.C uppercase N, ION. And then let C SION equals BAS.CS plus C ION, which we just defined above, SION. Let C ILL equals BAS.CI plus BAS.CLL, ILL, ill. Let C illion equals CL plus CION, illion, billion, million, trillion. Let C RUE equals BAS.CRU plus BAS.CE, RUE, there we go. Let CALSE equals BAS.CAL plus BAS.C, so I lost my spot here. Oh, did I miss something? No, I'm RUE, ALSE, AL, CSE, okay, ALSE. Let C TION equals BAS.CTI plus BAS.CON. Oh, wait. Sorry. BAS.CT plus CION. TION. There you go. Let C, now we do the same thing, but all uppercase. TION equals BAS.CT plus CION. Okay. TION, all uppercase. Let C CTION equals BAS.C plus CTION. CTION. Let C all uppercase. No. MATION. C MATION equals BAS.CMA plus CTION. MATION. That's like for the word automation. Okay. Let CITION equals BAS.CI plus CTION. ITION. We're going to do that one in uppercase. Let CITION equals BAS.CI plus CTION. ITION. And let CAGE equals BAS.CAG plus BAS.CE. Age. Let CEST equals BAS.CES plus BAS.CT. EST. Let C hair equals BAS.CHA plus BAS.CRE. Hair. Let C LASS. Now here we have to do something strange. We do the C. Let C underscore LASS equals BAS.CLA plus BAS.CSS. And we have to do that because of a language restriction on the keyword class. So LASS. So we did a little bit of a loop there, but it's a language specific and we have to do it. Let C temp equals BAS.CTE plus BAS.CMP temp. Let CHREF equals BAS.CHR plus BAS.CEF. href. Let CABC all uppercase equals BAS.CAB plus BAS.CC uppercase. ABC. Okay. Let CAME equals BAS.CAM plus BAS.CE. AME. Okay. Let CILE equals BAS.CIL plus BAS.CE. ILE. I get that right? Yes. Okay. Let CEXT equals BAS.CEX plus BAS.CT. EXT. Now we're going to do the same thing, but uppercase E. Let C uppercase EXT equals BAS.CE lowercase x plus BAS.CT. EXT. Okay. And let C LPHA equals BAS.CLP plus BAS.CHA. LPHA. All right, let CCON equals BAS.CCO plus BAS.CN. CON. Let C uppercase CON equals BAS.C uppercase CO lowercase plus BAS.CN. Con, uppercase C, okay? Let CABLE equals BAS.CAB plus BAS.CLE. Able. Let C able, and then ALID, ELID, equals BAS.CAL plus BAS.CID. ELID. Let C, oh, we have to do that all in uppercase. Okay. C ALID equals BAS.CAL all uppercase plus BAS.CID uppercase. ALID uppercase. Okay, let CING equals BAS.CIN plus BAS.CG. I think that one's the one we use the most of all phonic consonants is ing. And we need to do that all uppercase as well. CING equals BAS.CIN, oops, plus BAS.C uppercase G, ING. Okay, next, let CTRING equals BAS.CT R plus CING. TRING. Let CBJECT equals BAS.CBJ. Oh, hang on just a second. There we
Go ahead.
Okay. So BJ and then plus, I think I lost my spot here. No, BJ plus BAS.C BJEC plus BAS.CT. BJECT. Let C ATA equals BAS.CAT plus BAS.CA. ATA. And we need to do that one in uppercase. CATA equals BAS.CAT plus BAS.CA. Uppercase, ATA. Let CMAC, uppercase M, equals BAS.CMA, uppercase, plus BAS.CC. MAAC. Okay, Mac. And then we need to do these three. So let C PRE, pre, all lowercase, plus a BAS.C PR plus BAS.CE, PRE, and then we're going to do the same thing with uppercase P only. C PRE plus BAS.C PR plus BAS.CE, PRE. And then all uppercase. Oops, I need to change that to an equal sign. CPRE equals BAS.C PR plus BAS.CE. PRE. Okay. Next is lid, OLID. Let COLID equals BAS.COL plus BAS.CID. OLID.
Hey,
Yeah,
Seth,
yeah,
could you do me a favor?
yep.
Whenever you do like 5 or 6, just throw a space in there. It kind of makes it easier for me to track because they all just start kind of, trying to go back to the line. I'm switching back and forth.
Oh, yeah,
Just throw.
yeah. And then these can collapse afterwards.
Yeah, I'm trying to, you know how it is. You have to go back and find the line, and then
Yeah, well, I mean, I'm doing that the same on my screen too.
yeah,
But yeah, like something like
just
that.
just ever so often. Thank you.
Yep. So that helps a little bit.
Yeah.
OLID, and what's after OLID? YNC. Let CYNC equals BS.CYN plus BS.CC. YNC. Okay. Let CYNCH equals BS.CYN plus BS.CH. We probably could have done that better. We could just use the YNC. CYNC plus BS.CH. YNCH. The next one is elite. Let CELETE as in delete equals BS.CEL plus BS.CET plus BS.CE. Elite. Let CNNER as in inner BS.CNN plus BS.CER. NNER. Let CLICK as in lick equals BS.CLI plus BS.CCK. LICK, like click. Let CCTR equals BS.CCT plus BS.CR. Okay, that is CTR. And the next one is let CCTRL equals CCTR plus BS.CL. Control, CTRL. Let CYPE, YPE, okay, I'm going to scroll here. I got to do the same thing you do. I got to figure out my spots, my places.
Mm-hmm.
Where did I leave off? TER. Oh. Okay, there we go. All right. YPE equals BS.CYP plus BS.CE. YPE. Let CEQL equals BS.CE plus BS.CQL. CQL. Equal. EQL. Okay, we're going to do that with an uppercase E. Let CEQL equals BS.CE plus BS.CQL. EQL, uppercase E. And let's see, oops, I'm going to drop this one down for you. Let's see, EMB equals BAS.CEM plus BAS.CB, EMB. Let's see, OPERAT equals BAS.COP plus BAS.CER plus BAS.CAT. OPERAT, like operation. Let's see, ILI equals BAS.CIL plus BAS.CI, ILI. And let's see, ILITY equals CILI plus BAS.CTY, ILITY, as in utility. Let's see, IBILITY, like ability or disability, equals BAS.CIB plus CILITY, IBILITY. Let's see, ISIBILITY, is ability, equals BAS.CIS plus CIBILITY, is ability. Let's see, IF equals BAS.CI plus BAS.CTH, IF. Let's see, rent, that's the one everyone hates, BAS.CRE plus BAS.CNT, rent. Let's see, ARENT, aren't, equals BAS.CA plus CRent, ARENT. Let's see, TOR, as in the Tor network, BAS.CTO plus BAS.CR, Tor. Let's see, CTOR equals BAS.CC plus CTOR, CTOR. Okay, we'll drop another one down here for you. Let's see, elector equals BAS.CEL plus BAS.CEC plus CTOR, elector. Let's see, OOLEAN, Boolean, as in Boolean, equals BAS.COO plus BAS.CLE plus BAS.CAN, OOLEAN, Boolean. Let's see, heck equals BAS.CHE plus BAS.CCK, heck. Oh, heck. Let's see, hild equals, or child, but hild, equals BAS.CHI plus BAS.CLD, hild. Let's see, IBLING equals, as an ibling or sibling, BAS.CIB plus BAS.CL plus CING, ibling. Let's see, TTRIBUTE, tribute, as an attribute, equals BAS.CTT plus BAS.CRI plus BAS.CBU plus BAS.CTE, TTRIBUTE. Let's see, TTRIBUTES, tributes, as in attributes, see TTRIBUTE plus BAS.CS, tributes. Let's see, is abled equals BAS.CIS plus CABLE plus BAS.CD, is abled. Let's see, ilter equals BAS.CIL plus BAS.CT plus BAS.CER, ilter, as in filter. Let's see, ode, as in code, equals BAS.COD plus BAS.CE, ODE. Okay, let's see, IDE, oops, we'll drop this one down here for you. Let's see, IDE equals BAS.CID plus BAS.CE, IDE. Let's see, UARY, as in February, equals BAS.CUA plus BAS.CRY, Get my typing right. U-A-R-Y, UARY. Let CIES equals BIS.CIE plus BIS.CS, IES. Let CTIVE as in active equals BIS.CTI plus BIS.CVE, TIV. Let CATE equals BIS.CAT plus BIS.CE, 8. Let CDate equals BIS.CD plus C8, date. Let CTER equals BIS.CTE plus BIS.CR, ter. And we need to do that one in all uppercase. CTER equals BIS.CTE plus BIS.CR, ter. Let CMENT equals BIS.CME plus BIS.CNT. Ment, as in government. Let CMENT, we need to do that all in uppercase again. BIS.CME, all uppercase, plus BIS.CNT, uppercase. Ment. Windows cement. It doesn't crash, it crumbles. Sorry. Let CINE equals, this is IME equals BIS.CIM plus BIS.CE, IME. Let C, we can drop this down here. Okay, let CINTER, enter, BIS.CIN plus CTER, enter. And we need to do that one with an uppercase I. Let CINTER uppercase I equals BIS.CIN plus CTER, enter. Let CMED, med equals BIS.CME plus BIS.CD, med. Let CATE, as in AF, equals BIS.CAT plus BIS.CH, ATH. Let CVAR equals BIS.CVA plus BIS.CR, var. We need to do that one in uppercase V. Let CVAR equals BIS.CVA plus BIS.CR, var. Okay, next. Let CIEW equals BIS.CIE plus BIS.CW, IEW. Let CETE equals BIS.CET plus BIS.CE, ETE. Let CACE, ACE equals BIS.CAC plus BIS.CE, ACE. Okay, let CDER equals BIS.CD plus BIS.CER, DER. Next, COR, core. Let COR equals BIS.CCO plus BIS.CR, core. And we need to do that with an uppercase C. Let CCOR equals BIS.CCO, uppercase C plus BIS.CR, core. All right. And we're going to do one more in this section. Let C core with E equals CCOR plus BIS.CE, core. All right, we'll drop that down now. Let CERT equals BIS.CER plus BIS.CT, ERT. All right, now these we have to do again with an underscore. Let C, it's a language restriction, C underscore ASE, case, equals BIS.CAS plus BIS.CE. And ASE, and I'm going to add a note here, case is a reserved word, so we can't do that. But we need to have it all uppercase as well. Give me a second here. All right, so we're going to have to do this all uppercase, so let C underscore ASE equals BAS.CAS plus BAS.CE, all uppercase, ASE. And of course, it also has to have an underscore because it's still a reserved word, even if it's all uppercase. All right. Now this next one, I am just going to be very careful because if I say it out loud, it's going to cause a problem. But it is the constant letter UNT. So I'll let you figure that out. I'm just going to type it. I'm not saying anything. Let's see. Okay. It's a constant. It just has a C prefix. That's all it is. Let C AFT equals BAS.CAF plus BAS.CT AFT. Let C OPS equals BAS.COP plus BAS.CS OPS. Let C OPS, all uppercase, we got to do that, BAS.COP uppercase plus BAS.C uppercase ops uppercase. Okay, let CINV as in inventory equals BAS.CIN plus BAS.CV INV. And we need to do that with an uppercase I. Let CINV equals BAS.CIN plus BAS.CV INV. Let CRAL equals BAS.CRA plus BAS.CL RAL. And I think we can do one more. Let CARA, is that right? Yes. Equals BAS.CAR plus BAS.CA ARA. All right, we'll jump down here. Let C Pro, all lowercase, BAS.CPR plus BAS.CO Pro. Now, obviously, that one we need to do it 3 times. So let C uppercase P, lowercase RO, BAS.CPR plus BAS.CO Pro, uppercase P, and all uppercase. Let C Pro equals BAS.CPR plus BAS.CO Pro. Okay, next, let CINO equals BAS.CIN plus BAS.CO INO. Let CESE equals BAS.CES plus BAS.CE ESE. Let C ISH ISH equals BAS.CIS plus BAS.CH ish. Squeamish, that kind of thing. All right, let C CEL equals BAS.CCE plus BAS.CL CEL, and we have to do that with an uppercase C. Let C CEL equals BAS.CCE plus BAS.CL. All right, cell. And then I'm going to drop that down. Now we'll do let COUS equals BAS.COU plus BAS.CS OUS. Let CEOUS equals BAS.CE plus COUS EOUS. And let CUNG equals BAS.CUN plus BAS.CG UNG. Let CARY equals BAS.CAR plus BAS.CY airy. Let CIARY equals BAS.CI plus CARY airy. Let CMIS equals BAS.CA MAI. Remember we did that in basic constants. We had to do a little hack for the M and the I plus BAS.CS miss. But then we do the same thing with uppercase M. So let CMIS equals BAS.CMI plus bas.cs. Miss, uppercase M. Let C OURCE, as in source, equals bas.c/ou plus bas.crc plus bas.ce. Horse, as in source. Let C min equals bas.c AMAI. We got to do that hack again for the MI plus bas.cn min. And we're going to do uppercase M on that one again. Let C M uppercase IN equals bas.c MI plus bas.cn min uppercase M. We do the same thing for max. Okay, let C max equals bas.cma plus bas.cx max. Let C max equals bas.cma plus bas.cx max uppercase M. Okay, let C mine equals bas.camai plus bas.cne mine. Okay, I had a note here, but I guess that's not a problem. Let's continue on. Let C ETERMINE, determine, as in determine, equals bas.ce plus bas.ct plus bas.ce plus bas.cr plus bas.cm plus, oh, I don't know why I did this. This is a little strange, but wait. I think this should be CMINE. Does that work? Maybe it didn't work. If it didn't work, I mean, we'll find it for sure in our debugging, but that should work. Oops, I need to add a comment at the end. ETERMINE, determine. Okay, next. Let C ingle, as in single, bas.cin plus bas.cgl plus bas.ce. Ingle. Let C lace equals bas.cla plus bas.ce. CCE, sorry. Lace. Let C replace, not replace, just place, equals bas.cep plus C lace. Place. Okay, that one, next one is, that's hard to see. Let's
Hey,
see. Yeah, go ahead. Oops.
hey, sorry, just a general question.
Yeah.
Um, um, when you decided how to break these particular series of letters out, did you like do some kind of analysis of the most frequent ones, or you know what I'm saying? Like why these particular words? Does that
I
make sense?
I did a little bit. I just mostly early on it was because I noticed it. Like I noticed that I needed to reuse these 3 letters or those 4 letters or these 5 letters. I just noticed I was reusing them again and again and again. And I'm just like, okay, let's just make some phonic constants where I can put these things that are going to be not 2 letter combinations, but they're more than that, but they're not entire words, but I know that I'm going to reuse them like that. And then it just sort of became phonic constants. And it just became, it grew out of that. Like I was doing stuff that I was just reusing. And so I just did that out of kind of out of necessity. And, uh, and later on, I developed a tool, which I'm going to show you how to build it, that
Yeah.
does the pattern analysis, and then it will create these for you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I was
So
just wondering,
yeah,
like, like how do you know which things to pull out, which ones make sense, right?
yeah, exactly. Well, I mean,
Yeah.
it just became, you know, like I said, initially it was like I just necessity. I just needed it. And later
Right.
on, I built the tool. And now I have the tool, but we got to build it. We got to build the basics in order to get to the point where we can have the tool because the tool is built on this. So it's like
Right.
the chicken and egg. Where do you start? We got to start somewhere, and this is the
Right.
basics.
Right. I gotcha. Okay.
Okay. Place. Okay. Next one. I'm sorry, I went a little long on that one, but we're going to keep going now. Okay. Let C lean, as in clean, equals bas.cle plus bas.can. Lean. Let cver equals bas.cve plus bas.cr. Ver. And we need to do that with an uppercase V as well. Let cver equals bas.cv uppercase E, lowercase e plus bs.cr. Ver. Let C vert, as in vertex, C ver plus bs.ct. Vert. Let C onvert, as in convert, equals bs.con plus C vert. Onvert. Let C rate equals bs.cra plus bs.cte. Crate. Oops, I want to take that. It's not create, it's crate. And that C should come off. That's a typo. It's not, it's rate. Okay. Let C generate, as in generate, as in generate.
Yeah.
Yeah, C enerate equals bs.cen plus bs.ce plus C rate. Iterate. Okay. Let C dom, as in the document object model, dom, but lowercase. bas.cdo plus bas.cm. Dom. Let C and dom equals bas.can plus cdom. andom. Let C create, this is the actual create, but it's just reate, equals bas.cre plus cate. Reate. Let C arn equals bas.car plus bs.cn. Arn. Let C arning equals carn plus cing. Arning. Okay, next we'll drop down. Let C rror equals bs.crr plus bs.cor. rror, as in error. Let C, we need to do the same thing, all uppercase. rror equals bs.crr plus bs.cor, all uppercase. rror. Okay, let C ard equals bs.car plus bs.cd. Ard. Let C ose equals bs.cos plus bs.ce. OSE. Let C ray, as in ray, equals bs.cra plus bs.cy. Ray. Let C mel equals bs.cme plus bs.cl. Mel. Let C ound, as in round, bs.cou plus bs.cnd. Ound. Or sound. Let C dot equals bs.cd plus bs.cot. Dot. Give me a second here. All right. We got to do this again with uppercase D. C dot equals bs.cd plus bs.cot. Dot. Okay, let C cart equals bs.car plus bs.ct. Art. And let C ize equals bs.ciz, as in size, plus bs.ce. Ize. normalize size. Let, oops, let CMAL equals bs.cma plus bs.cl. Mal. Let CORMAL equals bs.cor plus CMAL. Ormal, as in normal. Let CEGREE equals bs.ceg plus bs.cre plus bs.ce. EGREE. Okay, we'll drop down. Here we go. Let CCIR equals bs.cci plus bs.cr. Sir. And we're going to do the same thing again with an uppercase C. Let CCIR equals bs.cci plus bs.cr. Sir. As in circle. Let CCLE equals bs.ccl plus bs.ce. CLE. Let CARE equals bs.car plus bs.ce. R. Let CQUARE, quare, as in square, bas.cqu plus care.
That almost
Quare.
sounds like a insult.
I know. Oh, a little bit close. Let CQL, no, GLE equals bs.cgl plus bas.ce. GLE. Let C try equals bs.ctr plus bs.ci. Try. And when you do that again with uppercase T, let CTRI equals bs.ctr plus bs.ci. Try. Okay. Next is let CREC as in record, bas.cre plus bas.cc. REC or rec. And when you do that with an uppercase R, again, let C uppercase R E C bs.cre uppercase R plus bs.cc. Rec uppercase R. And let C RECT equals C rec plus bs.ct. Rect. Rect as in rectangle. RECT. And when you do that again with uppercase R, let C RECT equals C rec plus bs.ct. Rect as in rectangle. Let C OCT as an octagon equals bs.coc plus bs.ct. OCT.
Hey, hey Shane.
Yeah.
So I noticed, okay, usually before everything else was not removing like the very first letter, but like for rect and oct, that doesn't carry, right? You're actually including the first letter in those and rect. So is there a reason for that, or is that just how you did it?
Well, in this case, like this was used all over the place for shapes because I had a
Yeah.
whole constants library for shape constants. And that was actually one of the most interesting constants libraries because I learned a lot about geometry, like geometric shapes. But OCT, like octagon, was a significant part because there's a bunch of geometries that are derived from octagonal shapes and rectagonal shapes, right? There's all kinds of like there's honeycombs and there's all. I mean, literally, it's really cool, and that's why I learned. That's where I learned about the 120 cell actually, which led me to do this background. This is a 120 cell
Okay.
geometry that's rendered in Blender, and I learned about that from this geometric shapes constants library.
Hmm, okay.
Really, really cool stuff. But yeah, I mean, there was these oct and rect. They were used a lot, and so I just said, let me just make constants out of them. Like again, I was still working in that early phase where I was kind of doing things manually, and it kind of made sense. There are other places like this OUND where, yeah, you're right. The OUND made more sense to have the latter part, and then the first letter would be defined in the words constant with uppercase R for upper or lowercase r for the round lowercase or whatever. You get the idea.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's kind of where that came from. It's kind of interesting. Okay.
Okay.
And we'll break that up there. I went ahead to do the OCT with uppercase O. Let's see, gone as in octagon equals bs.cgo plus bs.cn. Gone. Let C hex equals bs.che plus bs.cx. Hex. Let C uppercase hex, uppercase H, bs.che plus bs.cx. Hex. Okay. Hep, as in heptagon. Let C HEP equals bas.che plus bs.cp. Hep. Heptagon. Let see, we do the same thing with uppercase H, bs.che plus bs.cp. Hep, uppercase H. And then non, for nonagon, let C non equals bs.cno plus bs.cn. Non. And we do that again with uppercase N. Non equals bs.cno plus bs.cn. Non. Let C R AP wrap bs.cr RA plus bs.cp. Let C zoid, like trapezoid, bas.czo plus bs.cid. Zoid. Let C FRA equals bs.cfr plus bs.ca. And one of the reasons I'll answer why I was doing geometries was because when I was building sort of really, really early on, or shortly even before I started building this, I was working for Siemens and we were building CAD software. So we were
Yeah.
very much working in 3D geometry.
Yeah. I assume you were working in some kind of modeling.
Yep, exactly. That's what we were doing.
Yeah.
We need to do this again with capital F. So let CFRA equals bs.cfr plus bs.ca. Fra. Tra is next. Let CTRA equals bs.ctr plus bs.ca. Again, uppercase T. Let CTRA equals bs.ctr plus bs.ca. Tra. Okay, we'll drop that down from there. And we're going to reuse that one. Let C trans equals C tra plus bs.c ns. Trans. Let C trans equals C tra plus bs.cns. With uppercase T, trans. Okay. Let C int as an int, as an integer, bas.cin plus bs.ct. Int. Let C lock equals bs.clo plus bs.cc. Lock. Let C ation equals bs.ca plus ction. Ation. Let C ort equals bs.cor plus bs.ct. Ort. Let C sim equals bs.csi plus bs.cm. Sim, and I'm going to do that with uppercase S. Let C sim equals bs.csi plus bs.cm. Sim. Okay. Let C pilify. As in I don't know. Amplify? No, I don't know. BAS.
Simplify.
Yeah, simplify. There you go. PL
Yeah.
plus bs.cif plus bs.cy. Plify. Plify. Okay. Let C SOL equals bs.cso plus bs.cl. SOL. let C-COMP equals BAS.CCO plus BAS.CMP. Comp. And we need to do that with an uppercase C. Let C-COMP equals BS.CCO plus BS.CMP. Comp. All right, now let me mark my spot so we can keep going here. Oh, we are making good progress, but we still have a long way to go. All right. Let CIDEO equals BS.CID plus BS.CEO. IDEO, as in video. Let CNTEGER as an integer, BS.CNT plus BS.CEG plus BS.CER. NTEGER. Let CLOAT as in float equals BS.CLO plus BS.CAT. Float. Let CONG as in long equals BAS.CON plus BS.CG. Ong. Let C hort equals BAS.CH plus CORT. Hort. Let CBLE equals BS.CBL plus BS.CE. BLE. Let COUBLE equals BAS.COU plus CBLE. OUBLE as in double. Let CDUCT duct equals BS.CDU plus BS.CCT DUCT duct. Let CGate equals BS.CGA plus BS.CTE. It's been a while since I saw a CGate. Let CGGRE gate, gregate, as in aggregate, BAS.CGG plus BAS.CRE plus CGATE. GGREGATE, great, good, great. C diff, let C diff, this is just going to be an uppercase D, equals BS.CDI plus BS.CFF. Diff. Let CENC equals BS.CEN plus BS.CC, ENC. Let CENCE equals CENC plus BS.CE, ENCE. Okay, we can drop down from here. Let CAIN as in cane equals BAS.CAI plus BS.CN, ain. Let CTCH as in clutch equals BS.CTC plus BS.CH. TCH. Let CWEEN ween equals BS.CWE plus BS.CEN. WEEN. Let CORD equals BS.COR plus BS.CD. ORD. Let CMAP equals BS.CMA plus BS.CP. Map. And we're going to do that with an uppercase M as well. Let CMAP equals BS.CMA plus BS.CP. Map. Let CESS equals BS.CE plus BS.CSS. ESS. Let CRES equals, as in res, equals BS.CRE plus BS.CS. RES. And we need to do that with an uppercase R. Let CRES equals BS.CRE plus BS.CS. Res. And we're going to do it again with a double S. Let CRESS equals BS.CR plus CASS. RESS. Let CEAT 8 equals BS.CE plus BS.CAT. Eat. Let C hen equals BS.CH plus BS.CEN. Hen. Let C han equals bs.cha plus bs.cn. Oops, I think I have a double E in here. I do. Oh, should just be an H. There we go. I mean, it wouldn't matter one way or the other. But Han, okay. Han. There we go. As in Han Solo. Next. Let CLICA equals bs.cli plus bs.cca. LICA. And we're going to do that one all uppercase. Let CLICA equals bs.cli plus bs.ca. Leica. Let C app equals bs.ca plus bs.cpp. App. And we're going to do all uppercase A only. Let CAPP equals bs.ca plus bs.cpp. App. And now we're going to do the same thing, all uppercase. Let C app equals bs.ca plus bas.cpp. App. Okay. Let C oot as in boot equals bs.coo plus bs.ct. OOT. Let CRSE equals bas.crs plus bas.ce. RSE. And we need to do that one in all uppercase as well. Let CRSE equals bs.crs plus bs.ce. RSE. All right. Let CARS equals bs.car plus bs.cs. ARS. And the next one, the next two actually, yeah. I'm just going to type it out. I'm not going to say anything here. I don't want to get flagged by YouTube or anything. Let C okay. And we need to do the same one, all uppercase. So yeah, you can see why I didn't say that one out loud. Let CWAP equals, oops, I'm going to drop this one down. We can drop down here. Let CWAP equals bs.cwa plus bs.cp. WAP. Let CWARD equals bs.cwa plus bs.crd. Because I was working, you know, to your point, your question earlier about it, did I have patterns that I recognized? Because I started out and I was just doing it as needed. There are probably some optimizations that could be made to this file. So I'm not saying that it's perfect. I just wanted to get that out there.
Yeah, I was wondering, like, like if you did some kind of analysis about, obviously there's certain combinations in English that you will not find, right?
Yeah.
Right. So, like, that kind of that's that kind of analysis. That's what I was thinking of. That maybe you did, like, in particular, um, b- kind of software development related words, right?
Yes.
You know, like a
Yeah.
subset. Yeah.
Var. Yeah. Integer. Yeah. Int.
Yeah.
Yeah. There was some of that, and I mean, I don't know. There is some of that. Obviously, you've seen it, and there's going to be more. In fact, the next word I think is actually one of them, or next two words down. But yeah. I mean, there's certainly could be some optimizations across all of them. I'm not saying it's perfect, and
Yeah.
I think we've got some of the tools already in the code. Like I said, once we get past these constants, I'm going to show you how to build some of those tools, and I would encourage you to go, fork and do your own tool, and take some of the code that I've already got and see where you could improve on the pattern recognition, and maybe enhance some of this stuff. I mean, 100%, I would support that and love it. And especially I've already built a lot of the tools that sort of start that process. So
Hmm.
it's just a matter of tweaking a few things, kind of like you swap an engine out on a Honda, or whatever and put something else in there. And so, you can swap things around and play with it. Once you have the basic tool set, I think it'll empower you to do some really cool stuff. And a lot of this, because AI is, these LLMs are really about this same thing. They're about pattern recognition. So you
Right.
actually, by doing that, you're feeding in some of the intelligence that could make it easier for an LLM to actually do what it needs to do.
Yeah.
There's all
Yeah.
kinds of really interesting stuff that comes out of this.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I was leading to when we had that conversation a little bit ago about what it is that you get out of this, because it's not what you see as a programmer is just surface level. You're not looking deeper. And when you actually start to get some of these tools and this code, these constants in place, you actually uncover some deeper levels that you wouldn't have thought about.
Yeah.
It's just like AI. You would not have thought you get this stuff, you get these additional benefits, but it happens. It's pretty cool. And there's more to be discovered, like I said. All right, let's keep going. Let's see, lash equals, as in eyelash, bs.cla plus bs.csh, lash. Let see, env, as in environment, all uppercase, equals bs.ce plus bs.cnv, uppercase, env. Let see, avight, avigate, as in navigate, equals bs.cav plus bs.cig plus cate, avigate. Let see, ness, as in, I don't know, a word with an S on the end, bas.cne plus bs.css, ness. Cuteness, there's a good one. Let's see, usines. Oh, there's a one. Business equals bas.cus plus bas.ci plus cness. Business, as in business. Let's see, ule, as in rule, equals bas.cul plus bs.ce. ule. Let's see, ait, as in weight, equals bs.cai plus bs.ct, 8. Let's see, esh equals bs.ce plus bs.csh, esh. Okay, let's see here. Let's see, val equals bs.cv plus bs.cal, val. Let's see, emo, mo, bs.ce plus bs.cmo, mo, like Elmo, well, without the L, mo. Let's see, mon, as in common, equals bs.cmo plus bs.cn, mon. Let's see, ommon, like common, bas.com plus cmon, ommon. Yeah, okay. I guess we can drop this one down here. Let see, lti equals bs.clt plus bs.ci, lti. Let see, multi equals bs.cmu plus clti, multi. And we need to do that with an uppercase M. Let's see, multi, multi, bs.c uppercase M plus clti, multi. Let C ple equals bs.cpl plus bs.ce. ple, we need to do that again with an uppercase P. Let C ple equals bs.cpl plus bs.ce. ple. NaL. Let C NaL equals bs.cna plus bs.cl. NaL. Let C exe equals bs.cex plus bs.ce. exe. Now we need to do the same thing with an uppercase E. Yep, let cexe equals bs.cex plus bs.ce, exe. Next one is per. Let c per equals bs.cpe plus bs.cr. Per. And we need to do that with an uppercase P again. Let c per equals bs.cpe uppercase P plus bs.cr. Per. All right. Let CASIC equals bs.cas plus bs.cic. ASIC. All right, I think we'll drop down from there. Let CVEN equals bs.cve plus bs.cn. VEN. And we need to do that one all uppercase. Let CVEN equals bs.cve plus bs.cn. Then. Okay. Next, let cvent equals cven plus bs.ct. Vent. And next is arg. Let carg equals bs.car plus bs.cg. Arg. And we need to do that one in all uppercase. Let, uppercase A. carg plus bs.car plus bs.cg. Arg. Okay. Arrive is next. Okay. Goodness. We are not making much progress. Not what we need to be making anyways. What's the time? We're probably going to end up doing this for another 40 minutes here, and then we might be forced to stop. Yeah, hopefully we can get yeah, that should be good. I think we could go for another 40 minutes, and then we'll wrap it up. That'd be about 2 hours. Arg. I know this is a long one. I know it sucks. Arg. Next one is RIVE. CRIVE equals BAS.CRI plus BAS.CVE. Rive. Let C loy equals BAS.CLO plus BAS.CY. Loy. Let C loy, all uppercase, bs.clo plus bs.cy. Loy. We got to do that all uppercase. Okay. Let C umber equals bs.cum plus bs.cb plus bs.cer. Umber. Ah, looks like we're getting into the colors a little bit, or maybe not. I don't know. Wait a minute. Hang on just a second. Let me pause this. Hold on. Okay, so umber. Next is let C cond cond equals bs.cco plus bs.cnd. Cond. Let C ieth equals bs.cie plus bs.cth. Ieth. Let C tieth equals bs.ct plus cieth. Teeth. Oh, we got something that came up here. Let's not do that. CIETH. There you go. Okay. Get that right. TIETH. Let CONT equals bs.con plus bs.ct. Aunt. Let CULL equals like ul. Col bs.cul plus bs.cl. ULL. Let C mod equals bs.cmo plus bs.cd. Mod. And we need that in uppercase M as well. Let C mod equals bs.cmo plus bs.cd. Mod. Next, col. Let C col equals bs.cco plus bs.cl. Cool, and we need that with an uppercase C as well. Let CCOL equals bs.cc uppercase CO plus bs.c.cl. Cool. Okay, I'll break that up there from there. Let C reen equals bs.cre plus bs.cen. Reen. Okay, so this next one is a little bit of a reference to a movie, and when you hear it, you're gonna get it. I think if you're if you're a true sci-fi nerd, you'll get it. Lut, C Lue, and I'll put it in the notes here. Do you see it? Clue. CLU plus BAS.CE LUE. Reference to Tron here. Clue. I don't know if you remember watching
Um,
Tron, but
I saw it in the theater when it came out, so
okay.
that's how old I am.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
I'm trying to remember. Yeah, no, I was thinking of the little bit, the
Oh yeah,
little.
well there's that too, but
It was
there's
like he would say true or
yes.
false.
I referenced that in a previous video of mine
Yeah,
on this same YouTube channel.
yeah.
Um, but yeah, Clue was a Tron character that was interesting. Let CYAN, cyan, or just yan equals BAS.CY plus BS.CAN. Yan. Let CITE equals BS.CIT plus BS.CE. ITE. The reason why I include the Tron reference here is because we actually support a Tron theme within one of our theming styles.
Oh yeah.
So it's kind of
Oh
a little bit of a thing there.
no,
Um,
Tron at the time it was like you walked out of the theater. You've never seen anything like that.
yeah,
It was mind blowing.
it was really revolutionary.
Hmm.
Very cool. All right, let's go. Keep going. Let CANG equals BS.CAN plus BS.CG. ANG. Let CANGE equals CANG plus BS.CE. ANGE. And we need that one all uppercase. Let CANGE equals CANG, which, do we not have that? Oh, we do not. So we have to go basics here. BAS.CAN plus BAS.CGE. ANGE. Let COST, OST, or cost equals BS.COS plus BS.CT. OST. Let CULAR
Oh,
equals BS.CUL plus BS.CAR. ULAR. Let CDROM equals BS.CDR plus BS.COM. DROM. Let CD
oh,
hold on. DROME DROM equals CDROM plus BS.CE. DROM. Let CAV or AV as an avenue equals BS.CAV plus BS.CE. AV. And we need that with an uppercase A. Let CAV equals BS.CAV plus BS.CE. AV. Okay. Next is let CCLI equals BS.CCL plus BS.CI. CLI. And we need that one with an uppercase C. Let CCLI equals BS.CCL plus BS.CI. CLI. Let CULES equals BS.CUL plus BS.CES. Oh, I got a little typo there. That is ULES. ULES. Let CENT equals BS.CEN plus BS.CT. ENT. Let CENTA equals CENT plus BAS.CA. ENTA. Okay, we'll drop down from there. ENTA. Let CUST equals BS.CUS plus BS.CT. UST. Let CUST equals bs.cc plus cust cust. Let cust, we need the same thing, uppercase C, bas.cc uppercase plus cust. Uppercase cust, as in customer. Let cmand equals bs.cma plus bs.cnd. mand, as in command. In this one, we also need, okay, seem to have lost my screen. Okay, hang on just a second. All right, there we go. Okay, mand, as in command. And then we need to have that in all uppercase. So let c mand equals bs.cma plus bs.cnd, mand. Let c lob equals bs.clo plus bs.cb, lob, lob. Let c ram equals bs.cra plus bs.cm, ram. Let c rame equals cram plus bs.ce, rame. Okay, next let cias equals bs.cia plus bs.cs, ias. Let c bout equals bas.cbo plus bs.cut, bout. And I had a note here on this one, another little joke. About time we added this one. LOL. That's the thing. When you're adding these constants, you go through and you're finding a new word, and you suddenly realize that there's a phonic that could be reused there that's probably important. And so you add it here. You come back and you check, and you're like, wait a minute, have I added it already? Like, you think, you think with 1,000 phonic constants that it would have been added already, and then you come in here and you find out it hasn't been added, and you're like, what the heck? How did I not have that one in here? Like some 3-letter phonic or something.
Yeah, no kidding.
And so I came in here, I was like, bout, and on B-O-U-T. I didn't have that in here. Well, about time I added it. So I'm just making little jokes there. Anyways, okay.
Yeah, you got to amuse yourself doing
Exactly.
this stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah,
This is really dry. It's like the
yeah,
phone book. But yeah, I mean, you kind of find funny things like that because really you're going to come back and you're like, have we added that or not? Is that there really or is it not? And then you're going to be like, wow, it's not. How did we not have that one? And it's the same for the words as well, because we have huge word library now, 10,000 words. And how do we not have some words? Like, I'm still finding words that I'm surprised I don't have. Anyways, okay, let's keep going. Let CSEQ equals BAS.CSE SE plus BAS.CQ, seek, like sequence. And we need that with an uppercase S again. Let CSEQ equals BS.C uppercase S plus BS.CQ, seek, sequence. Let CNCER equals BAS.CNC plus BS.CER, NCER, Nancer. Okay, let CPRI, pry equals BS.CPR plus BS.CI, pry. Now we need that with an uppercase P as well. Let CPRI equals BS.CPR uppercase P plus BS.CI, pry, as in primary. And the next one, let C Mary equals BAS.CMA plus BS.CRY, Mary. Again, primary makes perfect sense. Let CMIT equals BAS.CAMAI plus BS.CT. Again, we got to watch out for that MI, MIT. MIT. Let C TERT equals BS.CTE plus BS.CRT, TERT. And we need that with an uppercase T. Let C TERT equals BS.CTE plus BS.CRT, TERT. Tar. let c tar equals bs.cta plus bs.cr tar. We need that with an uppercase T. C tar equals bs.cta plus bs.cr tar. And now we did turt, now we're going to do tart. Let C tart equals C tar plus bs.ct, tart. Let C tart equals uppercase T, C tar plus bs.ct, tart. And there's a joke on this one, pop tart, ... lol. Okay. Let CRINT equals bs.cri plus bs.cnt. That was one of those 80s commercials that if you're born in the 80s, you'll never forget it. If you're a Gen X, Pop-Tarts, you remember those Pop-Tart commercials.
Oh, yeah.
Let cgen equals bs.cge plus bs.cn, gen. And we need uppercase G on this one. Let cgen equals bs.cge plus bs.cn, gen. Ator, let cator equals bs.cat plus bs.cor, ator. Let cdex equals bs.cde, de plus, I've been not going down. Let's drop down here. Okay. Let cdex equals bs.cde plus bs.cx, dex. All, let call equals bas.cal plus bs.cl, all. And we need that one with uppercase A, so we'll do that again. Equals bs.cal plus bs.cl, all. And next one is reg. Let's see, reg equals bs.cre plus bs.cg, reg. And again, we need this with an uppercase G. Let C reg equals bs.cre plus bs.cg, reg. Tane is next. Let C tane equals bs.cta plus bs.cin, tane. Met, let C met equals bs.cme plus bs.ct, met. And we need that one with an uppercase M again. Let C met equals bs.cme plus bs.ct, met, uppercase M. Let CRIC equals bs.cri plus bs.cc, rick. Ac, let CACK equals bs.cac plus bs.ck, ac. And now we get to a series that kind of makes it's all, okay, so we've got lowercase, first letter uppercase, and all uppercase. And we got two sets of these, okay? Let cdev equals bs.cde plus bs.cv, dev. And up again, first letter uppercase, let cdev equals bs.cde plus bs.cv, dev. And now all uppercase. Let cdev equals bs.cde plus bs.cv, dev. And we do the same pattern, this time prod. Let cprod equals bs.cpr plus bs.cod, prod. And first letter uppercase, let cprod equals bs.cpr plus bs.cod, prod. And now all uppercase, let cprod equals bs.cpr plus bs.cod, prod. Okay. We can go to the drop down and let cana equals bs.can plus bs.ca. That's like Anna, ANA. And we need uppercase A on this. Let cana equals bs.can plus bs.ca, Anna, as in analysis. Let csis equals bs.csi plus bs.cs, sys. Let C rage equals bs.cra plus bs.cge. Rage. Next, let C ear equals bs.cea plus bs.cr. Ear. Let C RGB equals bs.crg plus bs.cb. RGB. Okay. I'm not going to say the next one, but we need lowercase and all uppercase. So I'm just going to type this one out. Again, we don't want to get flagged here. So let C C okay. All right. And IND is next. Let C IND equals bs.cin plus bs.cd. IND. LIN, let C LIN equals bs.cli plus bs.cn. LIN. Lin. And we need that one with an uppercase. Let C lin equals bs.cli plus bs.cn. Lin. All right, we'll drop down from there. We need another pattern here. Lowercase, all lowercase, first letter uppercase, all uppercase. So it's a three-way. Let C com equals bs.cco plus bs.cm. Com. Let C uppercase C com bs.cc uppercase lowercase o plus bs.cm. And now all uppercase. Let C com equals bs.cco plus bs.cm. Com. Okay. All right. Ooh, this is really good. Ooh, we're getting there. We're getting very close now. Let's keep going. How's our time? Yeah, we're doing well on time. Okay. Let C ubic equals bs.cub plus bs.cic. Ubic. Let C ane equals bs.can plus bs.ce. ane. Let C urve equals bs.cur plus bs.cve. urve. Let C qua with an a equals bs.cqu plus bs.ca. QUA. And we need that with an uppercase Q. Let C QUA equals bs.cq U plus bs.ca. QUA. Next one is Arctic. Let C RTIC equals bs.crt plus bs.cic. RTIC. Let SEC, okay, SEC equals bs.cse plus bs.cc. SEC. And again, we need this one with an uppercase S. Let C SEC equals bs.c S uppercase E plus bs.cc. Sec uppercase S. Let C UNI as in universe or university equals bs.cun plus bs.ci UNI uni. And we need that with an uppercase U again. Let's see UNI equals bs.cun plus bs.ci. Uni. Next, hyper. Let's see hyper equals bs.chy plus cper. Hyper. Now we need that one with an uppercase H again. Let's see hyper equals bs.chy uppercase H plus cper. Hyper. Okay. We'll drop down from there. Let C BOL equals bs.cbo plus bs.cl. BOL. Bola. Let's C bola as in hyperbola equals CBOL plus bs.ca. Bola. Next. Stant. Let C stant equals as in constant bas.cst plus bs.can plus bs.ct. Stant. Let CISO equals bs.cis plus bs.co. ISO. And we need that one with an uppercase I. So we do it again. Let CISO equals bs.cis is plus bs.c.co. ISO. Okay. Let C taupe equals, as in pentatope. Oops, I forgot a equal sign there. Okay. Or isotope, bas.cto plus bs.cpe. Taupe. Let C phon, phon equals bs.cph plus bs.con. Phon. And we need that with an uppercase P again, so let C phon equals bs.cph plus bas.con. Phon, as in phonics. Let C ICS equals bs.cic plus bs.cs. ICS. Let C SHA equals bs.csh plus bs.ca. SHA. And we need that with an uppercase S again. Let C SHA equals bs.csh plus bs.ca. Sha. Now ale, AIL, let C AIL equals bs.cai plus bs.c.cl. Ale. And we need that one again. This time all uppercase. Let C ale equals bs.cai plus bs.cl. AIL. Next is lay. Let C lay equals bas.cla plus bs.cy. Lay. And we need that again. Uppercase L. Let C lay equals bs.cla plus bs.cy. Lay. I'll drop down again. Okay. Sug. Let C sug equals bs.csu plus bs.cg. Sug. And we need that again with uppercase S. Let C sug equals bs.csu plus bs.cg. Sug. All right. Guest is next. Ooh, we got about that's a little hard to tell here. A little over 100 left to go. So how's our time looking? Actually, a little bit tight, but let's keep going. Sug. Okay, next is guest. Let CGEST equals bs.cge plus bs.cst. Guest. And we need that with an uppercase G. Let CGEST equals bs.cge plus bs.cst. Guest. Let CECT equals bs.cec plus bs.ct. ECT as an etc. Let CROJECT equals bas.cro plus bas.cj plus CECT. ROGECT. Roject as in project. Let CELL equals bas.cel plus bas.cl. ELL. Let CNION equals bas.cni plus bs.con. Neon. Let CETA equals bas.cet plus bas.ca. ETA. Let CENT equals bs.cce plus bs.cnt. Cent. Let C, this one is an uppercase C, HI, chai, equals bs.ch plus bs.ci. Chai, uppercase C. Okay, we'll drop down from there. Let CILD equals BS.CIL plus BS.CD ILD. Okay, let COLR equals BS.CCO plus BS.CLR. COLR, like cooler. And I missed an equals sign here. Okay, next. Let CSHP equals BS.CSH plus BS.CP SHP. Let CUAL equals BS.CUA plus BS.CL UAL. Let CIED equals BS.CIE plus BS.CD IED. Okay, let CFIED equals BS.CF plus CIED FIDE, as in confide. Let CIFIED equals BS.CIF plus CIED. IFIDed. IFIED. IFID. Let CMENTS equals CMENT plus BS.CS. Mints. Let CLOP equals BS.CLO plus BS.CP. LOP. And we need that one again, all uppercase. So let CLOP equals BS.CLO plus BS.CP. And I missed a space. Okay, LOP, all uppercase. Dest. Now we got our, oh no, this is okay. Let's see, DEST equals BAS dot CDE plus BAS.CST. Dest. And we need that with an uppercase D again. Let's see, dest equals BAS.CDE plus, that should be a plus as well, BAS.CST. Dest. Okay, store, STOR. Let STOR equals BS.CST plus BS.COR. Store, STOR. Now we need that with an uppercase S again. Let STOR equals BS.CST plus BS.COR. Store. Okay, what's left? We're almost down to 100. Let CEQU equals BS.CEQ plus BS.CU. EQU. Let's see. We need this one again with uppercase E. EQU equals BS.CEQ plus BS.CU. EQU. Next, Q. Let CQUE equals BS.CQU plus BS.CE. Q. Let, that should be lowercase. Lowercase q. We need this again, uppercase Q, QUE equals BS.CQU plus uppercase Q plus BS.CE. Q. Dupe. Let C dupe equals BS.CDU plus BS.CP. Dupe. Let, we need this again, C dupe, uppercase D equals BS.CDU plus BS.CP. Dupe. Cate. Let CATE equals BS.CA CCA plus BS.CTE. Cate. As in implicate. Let CERE equals BS.CER plus BS.CE. ERE. Let CEAS equals BS.CEA plus BS.CS. EAS. Let me pause here for a second. There we go. Okay. EAS was the last one. I'm going to drop down from there. EAS and, okay, let CEASE as in ease equals CEAS plus, let me see, I don't want to lose my spot there, BAS.CE. EASE. Let CREV equals BS.CRE plus BS.CV. Rev. Let CRON equals BS.CRO plus BS.CN. Ron. let colv equals bs.col plus bs.cv. OLV. Let colve equals colv plus bs.ce. OLVE. Let CEEP equals bs.cee plus bs.cp. Okay. EEP. There we go. Let CCUR equals bas.ccu plus bs.cr. Cur. And we need that one with an uppercase C. Let CCUR equals bs.ccu plus bas.cr. Uppercase cur, as in current. Or let CSIVE equals bs.csi plus bs.cve. SIVE, as in cursive. Okay. Let CEXP equals bs.cex plus bs.cp. EXP. And, oops. That got a little messed up there. Okay. And we need that one, I think, with another uppercase E. So let CEXP equals bs.cpx plus bs.cp. EXP, uppercase E. Okay. Let COULD, as in ould, equals bs.cou plus bs.cld. Ould. Let CIKE equals bs.cik plus bs.ce. Ike. Let CFUL full equals bs.cfu plus bs.cl. Full. And we need that with an uppercase F again. Let C full equals bs.cfu plus bs.cl. Full. Let CUTO equals bs.cut plus bs.co. UTO. Next is opt. Let COPT equals bs.cop plus bs.ct. OPT. And we need that again with an uppercase O. Let COPT equals bs.cop uppercase O plus bs.ct. OPT. Let CIZED equals bs.ciz plus bs.ced. IZED. Ized. Let COME equals bs.com plus bs.ce. OME. I got a C in there, and that should not be in there. Not on the definition. Okay. Let CLUS equals bs.clu plus bs.cs. LUS. Lus. Let CLON equals bs.clo plus bs.cn. Lon. Let CIZER equals bs.ciz plus bs.cer. Izer. Izer. Okay. We got down from there. Let CERN equals bs.cer plus bs.cn. Earn. Yep. Okay. I'm going to move this down for my own reference here. Okay, we're getting a little bit closer. All right, earn. Next is erm. Let CERM equals bs.cer plus bs.cm. Erm. Next is ohm. Let COMB equals bas.com plus bs.cb. Oops. bas.cb. OMB. Let CEED equals bs.ce plus bs.cd. EED. EED. Let COOP equals bs.coo plus bs.cp. OOP. And I could make a joke there about object-oriented programming, but I'm not going to do that.
I was thinking of a song from the 80s.
Oh, okay. I think I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Let COOD equals BS.COO plus BS.CD. OOD, as in good. Let CICE equals BS.CIC plus BS.CE. ICE. Let CTAY equals BS.CTA plus BS.CY. TAY. Let CAFE equals BS.CAF plus BS.CE. AFE. And I'm not going to type this one out. I'm not going to say this one out because it could be construed. But we do need two different versions, all lowercase and all uppercase. So we'll just do this. Okay, you can see why I didn't say that one out. Let C AULT equals BS.CA plus, and that one is just alt. Let C, and we need this one in all uppercase as well. AULT equals BAS.CA plus AULT. Okay, there you go. Next one, let CLETE equals BS.CLE plus BS.CTE, LETE, as in complete. Let CGR equals BAS.CGE plus BS.CR, GR. Let C spec equals BS.CSP plus BS.CEC, spec. And we need that one in uppercase with an uppercase S. So do it again. Let C spec equals BS.C uppercase S plus BS.CEC, spec. Okay, FIC is the next one. Let C FIC equals BAS.CFI plus BS.CC, FIC. Let C IFIC equals BS.CI plus CFIC, IFIC, as in fantastic, or no, IFIC scientific, right, there you go. SUF, let C SUF equals BS.CSU plus BS.CF, SUF. And we need that one again with an uppercase S, so again, C SUF equals BS.CSU plus BS.CF, SUF. Okay, let C ANCE equals BS.CAN plus BS.CCE, ants. Let CIONAL equals BIS.CIO plus CNAL, IONAL, as in functional, yes. Let C TIONAL equals BAS.CT plus CIONAL. TIONAL, as in functional. All right, now this next one looks like we have to break things up a little bit, or I'm not sure. Let's try this. Let CTRAD equals CTRA plus BS.CD. TRAD, trad. Oh, here we go. AD is somehow a special reserved word of some kind, and that's for both of these because we need this again with an uppercase T. So let C TRAD equals C TRA plus BAS.CD. Trad. AD is somehow a special reserved word of some kind. So we had to break that up. That's why. All right, next. Let CTROL equals BS.CTR plus BS.COL. TROL. All right, let me break that down. From here, let CURE equals BS.CUR plus BS.CE. URE. Let CSYM sim equals BS.CSY plus BS.CM. SYM. and we need that again with an uppercase S. Let C SYM equals BS.CSY plus BS.CM. Sim, uppercase S. All right, next, let C del, as in delete, equals BS.CDE plus BS.CL. Del. And we need another one with an uppercase D, of course, delete. Let C del equals BS.CDE, uppercase D, plus BS.CL. Del. All right, next is cert. Let C cert equals BS.CS plus cert. SERT. Let C sub equals BAS.CSU plus BS.CB sub. And we need that one again with an uppercase S. Let C sub uppercase S equals BS.CS uppercase S plus U plus BS.CB sub. Okay, next. I'm not going to say this one out loud. Let C. We got to have it. Okay, next. Let C UTE equals BS.C UT plus BS.CE. UTE, as in cute. Let C IOD equals BS.CIO plus BS.CD. IOD. Next. Let C EAK eek equals BS.CEA plus BS.CK. EAK. Let C NTO equals BS.CNT plus BS.CO. NTO. Next, let CMPT equals BS.CMP plus BS.CT. MPT. Let C TED, as in TED, like TED Talk, BAS.CT plus BAS.CD. TED. There should be an E in there, TE. Did I get that right? Yes. Okay. Next, let C IST equals BS.CIS plus BS.CT. IST. Next, let C RCH equals BS.CRC plus BS.CH. RCH. Let CSON sun, CSUN equals BS.CSO plus BS.CN. SON. Messed up a space there. Okay. And let CISON equals BS.CI plus CSON, like ISON. Okay. Let CERA equals BS.CER plus BS.CA, ERA, ERA. Let C4 equals BAS.CFO plus BAS.CRE. F04, as in foreknowledge. Now we need to have this one in uppercase, all uppercase. CFORE equals BS.CFO plus BS.CRE. 4. All right. Looks like we got about maybe 40 more constants to go. Something like that. Maybe more, maybe less, about approximately. Let CUSH, kush, equals BS.CUS plus BS.CH. USH. Now we need that in all uppercase. So let CUSH equals BS.CUS plus BS.CH. USH, all uppercase. Let CVEL equals BS.CVE plus BS.CL. Vel, all lowercase. Next, let CCESS equals BS.CCE plus BS.CSS. That one is CESS. Next, we need the same thing but all uppercase. Let CESS equals BS.CCE plus BS.CSS, all uppercase. CESS, as in success. Let CEMP equals BS.CEM plus BS.CP. EMP. Let C MAS equals BAS.C MA plus BAS.CS. MAS. Let C. Now we need the same thing with an uppercase M. MAS equals BAS.CM uppercase plus BAS.CS. MAS. AS. There you go. Next, PAND. Let C PAND equals BAS.CPA plus BAS.CND. PAND as in expand. Let C OOK equals BAS.C OO plus BAS.CK. Ook as in cook. Let CLSE equals BS.CLS plus BS.CE LSE. Let CIFE equals BS.CIF plus BS.CY IFY. Let CSUP SUP equals BS.CSU plus BS.CP SUP. And we need that one again with an uppercase S. Let C SUP equals BS.CSU plus BS.CP SUP. Okay, next is plaque. Let CPLAC equals BS.CPL plus BS.CAC PLAC. Let CORI equals BS.COR plus BS.CI. ORI. And we need that again with an uppercase O. Let CORI equals BS.CO uppercase O R plus BS.CI. ORI. Alrighty. Oh, I think we got like 20 more to go, something like that. We're getting very close now. I need to break this up. I haven't broken it up in a while. Sorry about that. Okay, let me scroll here, and here we go. Let CINAL equals BS.CIN plus BS.CAL. INAL. Let C para equals BS.CPA plus BS.CRA. Para. And we need that again with an uppercase P. So let C para equals BS.C uppercase PA plus BS.CRA. Para. What's this next one? Let C nom equals BAS.CNO plus BS.CM. Nom. And we need that again with an uppercase N. Let C nom equals BS.CNO plus BS.CM. Nom. Thir. Let C THER equals BS.CTH plus BS.CER. Thir. Let C fin equals BS.CFI plus BS.CN. Fin. And we need that again with an uppercase F. Let C fin equals BS.C uppercase FI plus BS.CN. Fin. RGS. Oh, we are only about 10 away now. Let C RGS equals BS.CRG plus BS.CS. RGS. Let C ample equals BS.CAM plus CPLE, AMPLE, and we need that again, but all uppercase. Let CAMPLE equals BS.CAM plus CPLE. And, oops, we must not have had that somewhere. We should have it. AMPLE. Ample. And I always joke about that one because this one comes back to Star Trek. I'd like to get my hands on her ample nacelles.
I was thinking in another context, but it kind of applies.
Yeah. Now, I think we might have missed something here, and it's possible that I got it in this one in my original, but I'm missing it here. So I think we might be missing this CPLE all uppercase. So I'm going to go look for it, and it looks like we did get it but we didn't get the uppercase. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there, all uppercase. Let CPLE equals BAS.CPL plus BAS.CE. PLE. So we got that added in, even though I think it was missing down here. Okay, but now it is. Now we've got it. So it may have just been a typo, or it may have been like something that was actually a bug in my original. Because I think in this very early version, I don't remember if we had the constants validation system in place. There might be a few little bugs, but remember, I think I mentioned this before. We want to see bugs because when we actually build the constants validation system, you're going to see them. And it's really cool when it starts spotting stuff that you thought for sure you got right. So, or stuff that I thought that I got right. Like a lot of times it finds stuff that I am 100% sure is perfect. Because I mean, if you haven't noticed, I'm pretty, I'm pretty like detail oriented on my code. Very detail oriented, much more than most coders. And so for me to find and realize that when I run my own unit, my own static code analysis that's built into my own code system, and it scans my own code and it finds a ton of errors, like that's kind of surprising to me. And it does. And that is a beautiful thing. So when we
Yeah,
run it, like you're going to love
yeah, I don't. I've never written any code that had errors, man. I don't know what
it.
you're talking
Right,
about.
right. Yeah, it's cool, man. When you see it, it's awesome. It's like, whoa, how did that slip through? But sure enough, there it is. So yeah, it's cool.
Yep.
All right, let's keep going because we're getting really close now. I'll skip down. Let C RUC ruck equals bs.cru plus bs.cc ruck. Let CTURE equals bas.ct plus CRE. Tur. Okay, let CREA equals bs.cre plus bs.ca. REA. Now, we need that one in all uppercase. Well, actually, we need a first letter uppercase as well. So let CREA equals bs.cre plus bs.ca. REA and all uppercase. Let CREA equals bas.cre plus bas.ca REA. Okay, next. EEN, let CEEN equals bas.cee plus bas.cn. EEN. Next, ORE, let CORE equals bas.cor plus bs.ce. ORE. Or. All right, next is, hold on, I want to see where we're going to stop. Oh, yeah, okay, we'll get to the stopping spot here. Let's see here. ORE, let CSTD equals bas.cst plus bs.cd. Standard. STD, standard. Now we need that with an uppercase S, so let CSTD equals bas.cst plus bs.cd. Standard. Uppercase S. And we'll do two more. Let CICK equals bas.cic plus bs.ck. Ick. And last but not least, let COTE equals bs.cot plus bas.ce. OTE. All right, we can drop down from there. I'm going to click save, and we are right about half done. Maybe a little bit over by a few lines, it seems.
Okay.
Give or take.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're about half done. I'm just kind of gauging it here. Yep, so we're about half done.
Okay. Cool.
So, but like I said, phonic constants, brutal.
Yeah.
This
I'm
is
only,
tough.
and I'm just typing them, the first part, and I'll go in and fill them back out. But
Yeah, yeah, I know. I know this sucks. I am sorry. I'm sorry that it came to this, but like I said, we get significant value out of this at the end.
yeah.
So it's really cool. And I've just started to scratch the surface. Like it really gets cool. But we do need to collapse all these empty lines when we're done, when you're done. So make sure you don't forget to do that. I mean, I did it. I'll do it here. That's sort of my homework. And we'll leave off right where we left off here. In fact, I want to make sure that I don't lose my spot here. OTE. Where did I? Oh, I dropped way down here. No, I didn't. OTE. Where did I leave off? Q dupe. Oh yeah, that was quite a bit up. Okay. 4 6 OTE. Where did that go? Oh, here it is. Okay. I just want to make sure and leave a blank for myself so I know where I left off. There. Again, make sure you push your code changes. We reviewed that in the last session. So at the very end, we reviewed what it is that you need to do to push your code to your code repo, because you should be doing that. You should have a branch for the constants. Again, if you don't have it, message me in the comments below, or watch some other YouTube videos about how to set up a code repo on GitHub. Watch a comment about how to do it from the command line, how to push your code to a branch, how to create a branch, how to commit the code to a branch. We covered that in the last session. So make sure you do that. And if like I said, if you need help figuring it out, and I recommend that you do it with the command line. Again, I've mentioned that before, just because it's good practice to get in the familiarity of knowing how to do that. Once you know how to do it and you're good at it, then you can switch over to a GUI interface. Although, most likely, if you learn it from the command line, you're probably going to stick with the command line and you'll actually be happy there. But it is useful to have both, right? Command line access and knowing how to use it, but also be able to switch to the GUI just in case if you need to do some special stuff. Like I mentioned before, merge hell, it happens. The
Mm-hmm.
best of us developers, we get there and it sucks and we just deal
Mm-hmm.
with it. The GUI can help with that a lot. Doing command line merge hell is kind of a disaster. That's yeah. Anyways, I guess that's it for tonight. Hope you have a good rest of the time, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye
All
bye.
right.